Welcome back to the channel. This video is a throwback to one of my favorite older projects, these American flag earrings that I originally designed in TinkerCAD a year ago. These earrings are small, wearable, and printed in red, white, and blue filament. I was so proud that I actually got 50 stars to look like actual stars instead of just little tiny dots. Super festive, but this year I had a different idea. Fast forward to today, where we're making a slight bigger change, giving this design a whole new purpose. Let's get to it. I could have easily went into TinkerCAD, got the design, and just scaled it up. But where's the fun in that? I wanted to challenge myself and decided to redesign and scale up into a simple flag-style display piece using Plasticity. I thought about adding curves or even text, but I wanted to keep this version clean and iconic. Just the flag, no extras. Just like the original earring design. To the printer! Printing it flat with the same Patriotic colors, no supports needed, just taking the time to do filament changes between colors. Nice and simple. Using a little CA glue to line up the stars and stripes. Here's how it turned out. Clean lines, great color contrast, and perfect as a Memorial Day tribute or anytime the red, white, and blue theme is needed. You can hang it, stand it up, or even give it as a gift. I've got plans to make a more artistic version later on, maybe with a waving flag effect or a wall-mounted plaque. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. If you like 3D printed projects that mix creativity and purpose, make sure to like and subscribe. We got more ideas coming. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.